Now it's been 7 months and you can see the result here. Hi, my name is Tyron and I am 21 years old. So due to heredity from my father, I have been suffering from bald head at the age of 21. So I am very depressed. So at that time, one of my friends recommended Dr. Totandas. So we have consulted the doctor and he has explained everything about the procedure. So my parents got convinced and within the 7 days, I have undergone the operation. So after that 10 days, the slab attached there is been removed. And after that, the new follicles which are recently grown are removed. Now it's been 7 months and you can see the result here. I have transplanted at Hairfree Hairgrow and the result is 100%. So if anyone has a problem of hereditary baldness, I would recommend Hairfree and Hairgrow. Thank you.